Gulang nanggo. Kain?
Kain mo kain.
Ah, man.
Kakapagod. Malik?
Bukas.
Hinga muna tayo.
Ba? Last.
Ito, lahat. Tapos na ang lahat. Ilan kaya ang resulta? Magkano kaya ang kinita natin?
Paano kaya? Magkano kaya yun?
May hot sauce tayo? Or wala na?
Hot sauce.
Hot sauce.
I put chili there.
Sa...
Rice. Warm lang.
Ang sabi ni nanay, init ko.
Maanghang.
Oh yeah, maanghang.
Chili sauce. Chili sauce? Lumangan, maliit? Wala na.
Ano yan?
More beef, vegetarian. Pero tamad ako. Tamad is like
Ay, naku. Paano?
I know, I was already there.
Saya ako dahil mayroon na matanggap na requirement si nanay na.
Bakit nag-nose to nose sila?
Akit ng karo. Sabi ni Kuya, wala doon ng kinalaman. Bigel! Kain ng kain.
Kain, Bigel, kain.
Gulang ng guba. Yon! Peter. Kain ng kain.
Yeah, I'm gonna pronounce, man.
Gulang ng go.
Sino na ako? Grabe na ako gutom. Sobra puyat and ano?
Yan ang solusyon. Pag puyat ka, kain ng kain. Puyat ka, wala pa kang kain. Patay. Bubuhat.
Sandwich and chips. Subway. Kainin. Ang hanga. No? Sarap with hot sauce siguro. still want more patty.
Alam mo kung saan? Sa big room. Or did Pamo have it last? Yun. Why? Sorry. Can I get more than one veggie patty? Is that okay?
Alana the eye.
All yours.
Johnny lang. Kuya Iting lang.
Ano sa... Who's cooking?
I'm making their fried rice. Veggies. Sorry, we didn't get to do them. Yeah?
Yeah, hot dog
Yeah.
na lang. You want? What's hot dog for lunch? What's hot dog for lunch?
Ako. Ako din. Sige.
Wala tayong bigas na kuha kanina.
Hala na ni Ay. Wala, di kaya nakakuha ng bigas. Di ba galuto ka?
Kingdom rice.
Okay. Itong vegetable patty, ayaw nila?
Oh, no, hang.
Nanghang para sa...
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, grabe.
Walang pwedeng pumasok sa boys' bedroom.
Finally, KFC.
Salamat.
KFC po. Ano pa yung puso? Malaking puso? Kaninong puso yun? Kay kuya. Ganon kalaki ang puso ni kuya.
Akala ko lahat pumasok.
Sabi ko na nga kayo, General Santos City to eh.
Ano?
Ito.
Oo.
Don't go in the guys' room.
Minsan yan.
Minsan yan.
Oo.
Una.
Why am I hungry all the time?
Put in.
Today. Today. Because of puyat. Kasi, no? And the sleep, I think. Yeah.
Wait, if that's chicken, should we cook the hot dog?
I don't know if we're even getting it, pa. We will, I think. I think maybe then just wait. I'll just cook the rice for them.
Because I mean, hot dog takes 5 minutes to cook.
Oh, and sayang. We have to save on our meat. It's still Tuesday.
Huh?
Save on our meat.
Yeah.
It's still Tuesday. Bakit ngayon lang kaya nagpakiramdam yun? Yung KFC.
Why are you always hungry?
Pressure.
You getting morning sickness?
What? Ayoko na! Alam ko bakit.
Okay.
Monthly. Ha? Monthly. And